intentions of our Police Colonel Arnett Balagat Banzon for his message of support, our Provincial Director of Bohol PPO, to be presented by our Police Lieutenant Colonel Jidimar Felicitas Buninda, Deputy Provincial for Administration. Sir, the floor is yours.
To the National President, Imam Council of the Philippines, Police Brigadier General Imam Ebra Oksir, good afternoon, sir. To the National Spokesperson of SPAC, Sheikh Umar Yakub Sapuna, sir. To the Chief Salah Police Center, Police Colonel Manan Harakas Norek, sir. And to all members of the Salah Police and Advocacy Group, to each and everyone, good afternoon. We are honored to be here today to this national summit with the team SPAC, Kagapay ng Bayan sa pagkakaisa at kapayapaan. So united in purpose and faith, gathered under the banner of justice, compassion, and community. The Salam Police Advocacy Group stands at the vital intersection of justice, dignity, and community development. To the dedicated members of the Salam Police Advocacy Group, your work is not easy, but it is essential. Every effort you make to advocate for fair policy, complete marginalized voices, and to foster mutual respect between law enforcement and the communities we serve is a powerful act of hope. So you are not just advocating, you are transforming. You are building bridges where others have built walls. You are holding space for truth, equity, and healing in a world that too often forgets the value of listening. Let us be known that your advocacy does not go unnoticed. We stand with you in upholding the values of peace, justice, and mutual respect. Islam is like all great faiths, teaches love, mercy, and the importance of living in harmony with others. These principles are essentials in building a society founded on dignity, fairness, and shared responsibility. Let us continue to work together across our communities to promote peace, safeguard order, and create a future where every individual is respected and every voice is heard. Your presence and contributions enrich our collective journey toward a more just and compassionate society. So extend our deepest appreciation for your tireless efforts. Let this gathering renew your strength, reaffirm your vision, and remind you that even in the face of resistance, your voice matters. Your word matters. And we stand with you in solidarity and advocacy as we continue to push for meaningful change. So once again, everyone, thank you so much and good afternoon.